Air pollution is an international public health crisis. More people each year die prematurely from poor air quality than all forms of war, AIDS, malaria, and tuberculosis combined. But it's not just a public health issue, it's also a financial one. So according to the World Bank, it's costing the global economy $5 trillion every year in annual welfare costs. So we know that air pollution is a global issue, but how do we tackle such an enormous problem? Policymakers right now are struggling to combat air pollution by taking decisions that aren't backed up by data. On top of that, when they do take a decision, they can't quantify the effectiveness of them, and then they can't justify it to the public. Think of Sadiq Khan and the ULEZ in London and the political issues that he's currently facing. That's where we come in at Persium. We're a climate tech startup based in London that's creating the world's most powerful digital twinning platform for tackling air pollution globally. You're probably thinking, Alex, what is a digital twin? Well, it's a 3D representation or a replica of an object, or in our case, an urban environment of a city. But it isn't a static model. It's a living, breathing simulation that reacts to real-time data inputs. So the way our system works is that we deploy our next generation sensors in dense networks within a city. They then gather the air quality data that we need to drive our digital twinning platform. We then create 3D simulations of cities, and for the first time ever, we can actually visualize and analyze air pollution, and then we can quantify the effectiveness of policies in real time within the simulation as well as within the field, and then we can get clear returns on investment when it comes to things like improvements in air quality, improvements in public health, as well as monetary savings, and all of this can then be defended and backed up to the public. So digital twinning is the future way that every city in the world is going to monitor, manage, and improve its air quality. And we at Persium would be delighted to have you join us in our journey towards this. Thank you.